Yo, what is up, guys? So, just came back home, was at the girlfriend's for a little bit, just kind of hanging out, but have a surprise package for you guys today. Bam! What is that? What is that? Something in the mail came for me today, and of course, it's for the Supra. I'm not going to show it yet. I'll show it to you guys tomorrow, because we are helping my friend Guido do something to his newly owned BRZ, and they share some similarities, so stay tuned for what it is. 33 minutes. Easy. God, it's fucking hot as shit outside. 85. Fuck. Well, 85 in the car. This car's been sitting out for a little bit, but damn. Yes, sir. Made it to Guido's. I think I don't know, hit a rock or something. I don't fucking know. I heard a loud like snap on my like rear tire right there, but everything looks good. It's hot as hell outside. But Guido, what do you have in your hand?
It's my wing.
Yeah. It's your wing?
Yeah, it's a wing.
Is that STI wing?
It's not. It's not put together, but this is the I wouldn't say it's OEM, but it was offered as an option in the Europe and Japanese markets, I think.
Yeah.
It's the nurse spec rear spoiler. It does look like an STI wing.
Yeah. Is that carbon fiber?
It is carbon fiber.
Yeah, there's chip and fiber everywhere.
Carbon fiber.
It is.
So, okay. Guido got a wing. That obviously means I got a wing. So I also got a carbon fiber lip spoiler. This was around like $200. Sorry, allergies. And it's really nice. It's carbon fiber. It's unbranded, but the fitment on this wing is like 9.5 out of 10. It's like really good fitment. All it really came with was obviously the wing itself, some like 3M masking tape, well, 3M double-sided tape, and yeah, that's all you really need to basically to attach this wing. Just attach it on the spoiler of the car, and it looks good. Is that how you drill the holes?
Yeah. This is how I'm doing it.
Damn.
That's how I'm doing it.
Do you ever get nervous doing this stuff?
Yeah, I mean, I really didn't want to drill out the holes, but it really just does not match up. And I mean, honestly, if you look at the fitment here, it's not really straight. It just, yeah.
But this bolts up, well, directly to the other part of your wing, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, this is the other part, and
oh, okay.
it's supposed to
I see.
match up like that, but
Yeah.
if you look down through it, it doesn't really match.
His mini wing's gonna get swapped out with that other one. Nice. Dude, why is it so hot outside? Fuck.
Dude, I'm like sweating up a storm.
Lego.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
We're going 34, bro.
Oh, good old Home Depot. Only place where car guys go if they lost or broke something.
Damn. Scat boys.
Shut up. All right, we made it back. We have the parts for his wing. This is just one of the panels of the wing. And now let's install his wing. All right, so wash down the car a little bit. Oop, hold on, gotta. All right, it's gone. All right, wash down the car a little bit. And then right now I'm just checking the fitment of the spoiler, making sure it lines up properly. So I want to make sure that from this angle that there is the spoiler hits exactly this blue tape line. Obviously this line denotes that this is the middle, and then again, to making sure it's aligned, this spoiler should hit a little bit of this blue tape line just like the rest. So yeah, and then that's how I know that this spoiler is perfectly centered. Next thing I would have to do, putting tape on the spoiler. Yeah, putting tape on the spoiler.
Hey, Kenny, grab this dog. Oh,
Oh, so cute. I'm so sorry.
you're fine. Yeah, he gets off leash all the time and comes over and hangs out. Yeah. We have a bigger version of you.
So what I'm basically doing is giving these areas like a little tab, a pull tab. So I have essentially an area where I can just kind of strip. Oh, okay, never mind. Hold on. All right, so I have little tabs here, so it will help me when I put the wing on the car. I just have to pull these tabs out, and once I pull these tabs out, that will reveal the adhesive, and everything should just stick accordingly. So this was just a little tip that YouTuber Bro 4Speed did on his Supra, and honestly I thought it was pretty smart, so might as well just kind of copy it here as well. You should go accordingly. You should have a very nice looking spoiler. So I picked this one because it's a little bit subtle. A lot of these Supra designs have like this very aggressive spoiler where it kind of comes out here and does like a two peak design and comes back down. I wasn't really feeling those designs, so I wanted to do something a little bit more subtle with just to make it a little bit more look OEM. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks very OEM. Everything's seated just fine. Fitment's honestly pretty good. I will give it a 9.5 out of 10. So I got this wing for around $200, and if you go on like A90 shop or a lot of the Supra shops, like they're selling them for like $300 to $400, and in my opinion, I can't justify $400 for a spoiler that's like not as performance orientated as you might think. If anything, this is a cosmetic mod. It does give you downforce, it does give you like some aero benefits, but compared to the other wings available, like this is more on the cosmetic side. So honestly, if you're going this route, I wouldn't say like drop hella money into making like buying brand name spoilers, but you can kind of do a little bit more of a budget option, which is why I got it on here. So honestly, pretty good. Don't be like us. Try to use a Dremel to make sure the bracket will actually seat the screws. We changed from Ratatouille to Cars.
More fitting.
Guido, what do you think?
Dude, I love it. Yes! He's gonna be riding the BMW.
Wherever he is. So we just put on the wings. I switched to the Sony, better in low light. Yeah, it looks pretty good. We went through a bitch and a half for this wing, but we've got it.
Here it comes. Watch out.
Ooh, and then we have a cafe racer. It's Tony Tran.
It's Tony Tran.
Looks pretty good. Good shit. You have a special guest. Matt just comes out of nowhere. Littering. Yes, sir. Barbecue chicken. Most importantly, R8 Spider. What the fuck? Very nice. Korean spec. Barbecue chicken spec. Indian bistro spec. So early right now.